Hey guys, it's Lindsay with Finding Easy, and on today's video, we're going to make a giant bow on a very small budget. I'm talking like less than $40 for a very large bow that makes a very large statement on my front porch. So that's what we're working on today. Previously, I have made a fairly large bow. It was probably about this size. I'll link it up here so that you can take a look. But I will list all the supplies, tell you what you need, how you need to do it, how you can hang it, all the things. Let's make this bow.
Grab duct tape, 20 gauge wire, plastic tablecloths, bubble wrap, and what I didn't show you is some spray adhesive and zip ties.
Okay, I'm gonna unroll my bubble wrap. Gonna pull it to the edge of my table, and I want 6 feet, which would give me, half of that would be 3. So a 3-foot bow is what we're going for. Let me pull this out. Got my measuring tape here. I'm at 6 feet, and I'm just gonna cut this right here. I got my 20 gauge wire that I got in the jewelry section at Walmart. I'm gonna pull a little out, and what I'm gonna do is put it on the edge of this, and I'm gonna use my tape to secure it. I'm gonna roll this duct tape out and then lay my bubble wrap on top of it. I'm just gonna work in sections. Gonna lay a little bit of the bubble wrap on it. And I'm gonna take the wire and put it on top of the bubble wrap and then fold the tape over it. And then we'll just keep going, little sections at a time. Okay, now we're going to take our tablecloth and we're just going to make it match the width of this, which is 6 feet. And then I cut off the extra, so you've got like this much extra. But this is what we have here. And now what we're going to do is open it up and use this kind of like a pillowcase. There we go. Now let's open this up. I was going outside, so I needed something that would be weather resistant, and you know me, I'm always on a budget. So I'm going to opt for these plastic tablecloths. The lines in the tablecloth is actually going to help us keep this lined up and in the center. So I'm looking for that main line right down the middle. I know that that's going to be my center. So I will grab my bubble wrap and put it in the center. Go. We're just gonna wrap it like a present here. We'll fold this section in and this section. And then same with this. Now I'm going to find my center. Half of 6 feet is 3, so this is where we're going to go. So I'm going to grab this end and flap her over. And then we'll grab this side. We'll overlap just a little bit so that we've got something to grab. Okay, and then we're just going to scrunch down the middle here. And we're going to take a zip tie. There's our bow. Do a little fluffing. Use the wire at the ends to kind of puff it out. Okay, there we go. We're going to set this aside and then work on our tails. I want 2 4-foot tails. So I'm going to start rolling this out to 4 feet, and then we're just going to repeat the exact same process. I'm gonna grab another tablecloth. The little scrap we had from the other one is not big enough, so we'll need another tablecloth. We'll cut this to size. Right about there. You know, girl math, right about there. And then we might as well do one more for the next one. We'll move this one out of the way, and then we will just repeat the exact same process. We'll lay this out and then cover it up. I'm gonna grab my stapler and just go along this edge just to hold it together till I get the other one done, because I'm gonna put these tails together. Before I get rid of this, I'm going to cut my V down here. Do a little measurement so I know I get them both right. 2 feet, here's 1 foot, and I'm going to go in by 1 foot. So there is my dot. That's how far I'm going up here. To seal my ends on the V, I'm going to put down some paper just to protect my table. And I am going to use some spray adhesive to keep this together. If this was fabric, I could do hot glue, but this is so thin, I don't want it to burn the plastic. So we're just going to do a little spray adhesive. Lifting up the 2 layers and putting spray on both sides. And then I'm mushing the bubble wrap and then lifting the top layer and spraying that. Line our tails up and attach them. We're overlapping just a touch. And we're just going to scrunch the side that had the staples. Now we're going to attach the bow. We're going to flip the tail over on the good side. Pop the bow on, zip tie again. Okay. We have a bow with some tails. Now we just need to cover the center, and we'll just use some of our scrap for that. I've measured about 10 inches, so that's how wide I want this section to be. So I'm going to snip that, and then just take some of the extra tablecloths that we had left from when we cut those. I'm going to grab the stapler again, just keep this flat. Okay, and we're going to lay it on top of our bow, and I do want to scrunch just a little. Just kind of fold in and tuck in here, and then I can zip tie this together. We are done. Here's our bow with our tails. What do you think? I like it. Let's go hang it up.
There we go. We're all done. I just used a command hook to hang it on the center of the window. It is ready for the wind and the rain. If you like this video, follow Finding Easy for more.